Hi students, today in this class we will discuss about life process chapter 6 of class 10. Life processes. Before starting the detailed discussion of this lesson, I would like to discuss the topics that we will cover in this lesson. Firstly, we will discuss about life processes. Secondly, we will discuss nutrition. Next, types of nutrition. Types of nutrition. Next, photosynthesis. Then in humans, nutrition in humans, how the nutrition takes place in human body and how they utilizes in their body, we will discuss in this topic. Next one, transportation. And last one, excretion. Let us know about life processes. The basic essential activities performed by an organism are called life processes. For example, nutrition, transportation, metabolism, respiration, reproduction, and excretion. Number 1, nutrition. The method of obtaining food by the living organism and utilized within its body is called nutrition. The method of obtaining food by an organism and utilize within its body. This is called nutrition. And different types of living organisms carry out different types of nutrition. There are two types of nutrition. Number 1, autotrophic nutrition. Number 2, heterotrophic nutrition. Types of nutritions. Autotrophic nutrition, number 2, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which the living organisms prepare their own food. That is called autotrophic nutrition, and they are also known as autotrophs. Especially, basically, the plants are autotrophs, and the nutrition takes place by the plants is called autotrophic nutrition. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present in the leaf which helps to trap the sunlight. So the food making process, that is called photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis comes from two words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means preparation of food. And the definition is the food making process in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Is called photosynthesis. Green plants having chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment which helps to trap the sunlight. So which is present in the leaf and stem of the plants. And the chemical equation of photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight to form C6H12O6, that is glucose, 6O2 plus 6H2O. Carbon dioxide combined with water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight to form glucose, oxygen and water. Elements occur during photosynthesis are: number 1, the sunlight trapped by chlorophyll, number 2, light energy is converted into chemical energy, and reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. These are the events occur during photosynthesis. Number 1, the sunlight is trapped by the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the leaf of the plant or stem of the plant. Number 2, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Next, number 3, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. So these are the events occur during photosynthesis.